In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your Form 1098-T in TurboTax to claim education credits. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating to the right place, entering your form accurately, and answering the follow-up questions so TurboTax can apply the correct education benefits for you. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening your current tax return. Once you're in, head to the Federal section. In the desktop version, this may be labeled Federal Taxes. From there, go to Deductions and Credits. This is where TurboTax organizes potential tax breaks, including education-related benefits. Scroll or search for Education, sometimes shown as Education Expenses and Credits, and select Start or Revisit. TurboTax will begin with a few simple questions about who the student is. You'll choose whether the student is you, your spouse, or a dependent you're claiming. Answer carefully because this determines how the credit or deduction is applied on your return. Next, when TurboTax asks about education expenses, you'll see a question about whether you received a Form 1098-T. Select Yes. This form reports tuition and related information from your school and is key for calculating credits such as the American Opportunity Tax Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. TurboTax will then give you two ways to enter the form. If your school participates, you can import the form automatically. You'll need your school's name and may be asked for your student ID to match the data. Importing can reduce typos and save time. If importing isn't available or you prefer to enter it yourself, choose the manual entry option. Then type the information exactly as it appears on your physical or electronic 1098-T. Double-check the amounts in any checkboxes, and make sure you're using the form for the correct tax year. After the 1098-T details are in, continue through the on-screen prompts. TurboTax will ask about scholarships and grants, which often appear on the form, but can also come from other sources. It will also ask about additional qualified education expenses not listed on the 1098-T, such as required books, supplies, or certain course materials. Enter these accurately. They can increase your eligible expenses and improve your credit. Keep in mind that scholarships and grants generally reduce the expenses that qualify, and TurboTax will do the math based on your answers. Work through each question carefully. When you're done, TurboTax will assess your entries and apply the best education credit or deduction for your situation. If you need to adjust anything, you can always return to the education section and make changes before finalizing your return.